Bras, who needs them? Welcome to the world of breast tape. Did you know that a whopping 70% of women say their bras are uncomfortable? Finding the right support without sacrificing comfort is a real struggle. We want to feel confident and supported, but not at the expense of our comfort. It's a dilemma many women face every single day. But what if I told you there's a game-changing solution? A way to ditch the constraints of traditional bras without compromising on support or style? Enter breast tape, a revolutionary product taking the world by storm. This isn't your grandma's duct tape, ladies. Breast tape is specifically designed for delicate skin, offering a discreet, comfortable, and surprisingly effective alternative to bras. Intrigued? Read on. Let's be honest, bras can be a real pain, both literally and figuratively. Straps digging in, underwires poking out, and that dreaded feeling of being suffocated. We've all been there, especially when trying to rock a special outfit. Remember that time you squeezed into that stunning backless dress, only to realize your bra was determined to steal the show? Or how about the frustration of visible bra lines ruining the sleek silhouette of your favorite top? Ugh, the struggle is real. But fear not, my friends, because breast tape is here to liberate us from the tyranny of ill-fitting bras. It's time to embrace a world of freedom, comfort, and sartorial possibilities. But breast tape is like magic for your wardrobe. It's invisible under clothes, making it perfect for backless, strapless, or even sheer outfits. No more unsightly straps or digging wires, just smooth, seamless support that lets your outfit shine. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile. Whether you're hitting the gym, dancing the night away, or just want to enjoy the freedom of going braless at home, breast tape has you covered. It's like having a secret weapon in your style arsenal. But with so many different types of breast tape available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, I've got you. From hypoallergenic options for sensitive skin to waterproof tapes for those sweaty workouts, there's a perfect tape out there for everyone. We'll explore the different types and their benefits in the next section. Now let's get down to business, the application process. Applying breast tape might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's easier than you think. And with a few insider tips and tricks, you'll be a breast tape pro in no time. First things first, prep your skin. Cleanse the area with a gentle, oil-free cleanser and pat dry. This ensures the tape adheres properly and prevents any potential irritation. Next, measure and cut the tape to your desired length, keeping in mind the level of support and coverage you need. Now for the application itself, start by applying the tape to the bottom of your breast, gently lifting and supporting as you work your way up. Smooth out any wrinkles or air bubbles for a seamless finish, and remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and tape placements to find what works best for your body and outfit. And there you have it. With these simple steps and a little practice, you'll be rocking the freedom and confidence of breast tape in no